at 6 p.m. So my advice to all the people will be shared in your groups also. Image keep in your WhatsApp status. This message I am requesting you all share in your college groups. Okay, right, share in your college groups. Okay, now, right. So that is a story. Now, don't miss it. First of all, everybody are clear? Yes. Next to coming to right. Okay, 5 minutes time. I'll explain everything to you. Don't leave. Regarding certificate, everything I'll explain to you. Right. I need your reviews about training in following places: YouTube channel first. Next, Google reviews. Next, www.rnreddyitschool.co website. Next, Facebook www.facebook.com/groups/rnreddy tech supports. I need your reviews about training in following. Right. Next, Twitter. Right. RN Reddy IT School 2. Right. Okay. Twitter. Right. Right. Everybody, can you give that feedback, reviews? Yeah. Yeah, you can attend Core Python again and again. I am expecting all these things from you guys. And coming to only first you do one review now immediately. Yes, one review for all the guys. Go to YouTube first. All of you. First one review at least. Later we'll see. Go to YouTube, all of you. Go to YouTube. Do it 2 minutes. 2 minutes just. RN Reddy IT School. You type. Whenever you type RN Reddy IT School, you will get my channel. First get subscribe. Then here you have this video. You have this video, this blue shirt video, free Core Python video, free Core Python session introduction. And we are launching free Core Python classes. And a video ichana mandaru. Try to show your patience. Okay, just whatever you are texting in my, right, whatever you are texting in my chat, same thing you post there, brother. Just it's information to others. And this one, come on, do it. Right here, yes, give a comment of you. I'm expecting from you all things about this. And right, just give a comment, just 2 lines comment fast, all of you. Already I have given comment here, sir. Then go to Google. Google. Right. RN Reddy IT School, and I'll show you some book also. Wait. I'll show you some book also. Wait. Some book and where you will get my books. I will show you. Don't leave the class. Right side, when you say type, right, you will get my website also, rnredditschool.co. I didn't tell about this website till the time I didn't open also. But right side, you will get my, right, yes, my company address, all these things. Now here you have reviews. You can write your review here. You can write your review here. You can write your review. Write your review. These two I am expecting now immediately from you all guys. Then I'll explain about certificates and soft copy. And Akram, why you are posting that like that? Right, 2 places, fast, do it. Why you are posting same text again and again? Right, I'll talk everything. Wait, yes. If you don't have that much patience, I can't help, brother. Right, wait, amma, vellakandi, wait. So you have a lot of points from my end, just wait. Yes, all of you guys, come on, do it. Okay. Right, now let me tell you the things about all the things what I want to tell you here. Yes, right, first of all, right, let me, about this course I'll tell you a few things. Certificate. First, core Python notes, soft copy you will get in groups very soon. If you joined in advanced Python, you will get the book also. If you didn't join advanced Python, but still you want full book, hard copy book, you can collect and you can buy from one shop. I'll give you details now. Soft copy, right? Just I will on my video, just see the book details, complete book format. Yes, all of you guys just see this one. 1 second. Right, so this is the book. This is the book you can get. This is a core and advanced together as one book. Okay, this book, if you want to purchase, you should take it from this person. Okay, so this is a book. I'll give you this person number to you all the people. It is a full book. Okay, right. So this is the book, complete book, step-by-step Python book. Okay, so this book, are you able to see? Right, are you able to see? Yeah, okay. So the book you have seen, book chooser, number I'll give you. I'll give you the shop person number. If you will call to him, and advanced Python people doesn't require. Okay, right. Shop person number I'm giving you. Advanced Python people, we will give you the book. You don't require to worry. Only who attended core Python. If you want hard copy book, you can call to that person. Yes, that Xerox person number I am giving you now. 99081 95081 958 99081 95958. So his name is Shekhar. You call to him, you can visit his shop in Amirpet. Okay, you can call. Suppose you want book in courier also, he will take the money, he will send you. Already old batch people already collecting this book. My advice to all the people, book I am talking about, hard copy book. I hope you are clear what I am talking. I am explaining step by step. Wait. He will send you in courier. If you pay money, he will send you. Who are near, go to shop and collect in Amirpet beside Satyam Theatre. He will give you the. You are from out of station, he will give you the book by taking the money courier. Cost maybe 200 like that. I'm not sure. You have to ask him, right? So hard copy book will give to advanced Python students by us only, right? That is the story. Everybody are clear? Yes. Now I shared his number also to you in chat also. Okay. Yeah. Next, come back to, got it all of you. Come back to, yes, certificate collection. Regarding certificate, right? For who completed core Python course completion certificate will give to students once offices will open after lockdown. We will announce the dates, 1 week dates regarding your batch, mentioning batch like timings, date when we started. We'll give you the dates in groups. We are made your certificates ready. Come and collect to my office. You have to visit the office and you have to collect. Are you clear? You have to come and collect that one. So now for that, you should come to office. You should come to office and collect certificates. When it will be, sir, we will announce the dates. And my company office address will be there in the Google also, right? But who completed 90% course attendance people only will get the certificate. And the certificate we will charge just 200 rupees. I'm sorry, 200 rupees. Okay, when we are giving, we will charge it for like making charge or whatever it is, and will be like not to give to everybody. Minimum 90% course completion. If any 10% here and there, okay, but your names should be there in the webinars list mainly. And outside students, out of station students, we will provide with post courier for postal charges you have to pay 100 rupees. Are you clear? So that means who are coming and collecting the book, just you have to pay 200 rupees. So who are coming and collecting the certificate, have to pay 200, and who are coming from out of station, you have to pay 200 plus 100. Yes, this is regarding certificate. And once we will announce, we'll give you, and we will inform. Not now, brother. Soft copy will be shared in groups. Okay, so we'll share. You don't have to pay anything, only for certificate. And the certificate will be issued for only paid, who are attended. Try to understand. There's a lot of value for my certificate in the market when you are attending interviews. I'm sure about it. Certificate, soft copy also we will try to arrange. E-certificate will arrange. But my advice is, instead of e-certificate, you better to, where you should pay for certificate, we will share in groups. Not now. Now lockdown is going on. Offices are not open. We have to work with making right percentage. Okay, attendance percentage is just a formality, brother. Minimum classes, let's say 50-60% classes attended also will provide. Okay, mainly hard copy will send you, not soft copy. On request we'll try for that, but no, not promising. Don't pay any amount to any number right now regarding certificates. We will announce the dates, 1 week dates. That time you have to collect, you have to pay the money, you have to enroll, and you have to collect it. We will give you the like message in groups very soon regarding certificate. So, and now come back to next to what you have to do. Listen, next to my advices to you for your career. Number one, core Python completed students first attend advanced Python. If you didn't join also, coming batch you can join. 22nd I am starting core Python. For that batch on 1st I will start. On 1st I will start on 1st July. 1st July at brother, very simple amma. 22nd June at 6 p.m. core Python. 1st July at 7 p.m. advanced Python. For this batch, my advice you guys to join. But your batch students, I will give 4,000 only. But for new students, and at that time we are changing the fees again, thinking to change the fees for 5,000. So that's the reason from your batch, if anybody are interested, do the payment to this number. Like, you know, GPay or PhonePay to this number 9866 193 194 and mentioning that advanced Python new batch at on July 1st payment. Are you clear? And send your details to Pratima madam. Madam, yes, that is our number 999 491 30043. Right. So this my advice to all the people, because thinking to change the fees to 5,000, because we are planning to give the project also, brother. The reason is what? We are planning to give the project advanced Python, and we are thinking to give project, mini project we are planning. That's why we are increasing the fees for next batch. From this batch, if you are really interested, you can pay now only, because once we started 22nd batch, we will not accept 4,000. We are thinking to change it 5,000. First, your course should be advanced Python should learn. After this, my advice to all the people, for freshers, learn Django with Python, and then come for .NET. Then with Django, your Python and Python, core Python, next advanced Python, next Django with Python. Yes, over. Python story over here. You have learned complete Python. Yes. Now then come for .NET to my classes. So for freshers, it is best choice. No, sir, I am bit of scaring of coding. Then instead of Django, learn Django, and then don't come for .NET. Go for testing with Selenium, automation testing tool. Okay. Number 2, for gap people who are having gap, go for yes, gap people is my advice is AWS, that's it, AWS enough. AWS is a best one. Are you clear? And who are planning with Django with Python or AWS? Okay. Ping to Sai. Ping to Sai. Say that I am interested in AWS or I am interested in Django. So that is my advice. I am giving the Sai number. WhatsApp to me. I'm sorry about this. I'm interested. Next week we are starting Django and AWS. Both batches will start. Django will be in morning hours planning. AWS will be in evening hours we are planning. So that you think about it. Yes, this is the advice to the people like who want to do next. So my advice is go with Django and then come for .NET. Not programming, not interested, testing with Selenium. But before that, first to complete advanced Python. When you complete advanced Python, then only your Python course is completed. My advice is first priority. Priority is advanced Python. Who are attending advanced Python already, for them I'll give you the guidance later. This I am telling to the people who are attending only core Python. If you are not attending advanced Python, you are doing a blunder mistake. Or you will no doubt about that. So later you will feel about it, not now. Okay, now right. And who are interested for Django with Python and AWS, ping to Sai and text that I am interested for Django or AWS. And who didn't join for advanced Python, my advice, directly pay the fees for next batch. Do payment now itself. I am advising just learn Python. Sir, only with Python can't I get job. There is a chance. I will arrange interviews for advanced Python students. No doubt I'll arrange it. But I can't give 100% guarantee. That's why I'm telling you, learn remaining things also. But there is a chance you may get job with only a core Python and advanced Python also. C language, Django, first free course 20 hours, paid course 40 hours, 40 to 50 hours. Okay. And AWS 10 hours free course, 40 hours paid course. And Django batch will have 3,000 fees. First 3,000 for Django. For AWS, approximate 10,000 will be there. It's a very costly course, right? So that I am telling you. Understood, all of you? So my advice to you is talk to and give a call to Sai. Text to Sai regarding these courses. But without learning advanced Python, going to Django is or AWS is and attend simultaneously both. My advice. Okay, right. Come back to without learning Python, you can go for AWS, but you cannot go with Django because Django the complete logic is Python. That is, Django is a web framework to develop web applications. That's it. So this is about next courses. And who are interested and advanced classes, advanced Python tomorrow onwards, your class will be as usual, 8:15 to 9:15, your schedule. Who are interested to work and I'm sorry, we are looking for North telecallers who can speak Hindi well. So those guys also please ping to Sai. We require immediate requirement we have. I will pay salary to you for this. Okay. Django trainer is extraordinary trainer. AWS trainer also extraordinary. Okay. Yeah. So that's it. And right. Who know languages like Tamil, I know. Kannada, I know. Can also talk to him. Right. Salary, how much I can tell today, that Sai will tell all the things. Okay. Yeah. Don't run towards money. Run towards work. Money will come automatically, brother. Django will have project batch also again after that. AWS also will have project batch. course batch, again project will be, they will go with one project with 1 month again. Okay, so think about it. So, but advice to all the students, first learn advanced Python. Advanced Python, without learning advanced Python, don't go anywhere. My advice is. 90% is advanced Python. So my advice to all the students, advanced Python, how many people want to join? Not join, raise your hands. Raise your hands. I'll take your fees first. Raise your hands. I didn't join, I'll join for July 1st batch, sir. July 1st batch. I didn't join, I will join July 1st batch. Okay, July 1st batch. These guys who are joining advanced Python, who are joining for July 1st batch. July 1st batch, yeah, pay the fees immediately. WhatsApp to me, better. WhatsApp to me, because they will take you again 5,000 fees. That's the reason WhatsApp to my number. Okay, so that you do as early as possible. Once that batch is started,
Welcome to the webinar. You have entered as an attendee in listen-only mode.
That object-oriented programming concepts nobody can give like R.N. Reddy. I'm sure about it. Again, you are doing a blender mistake. Next advanced Python batch is going to announce for 5,000 for India students, $150 for abroad students. So try to pay for your batch. For your batch, I'm giving for 4,000. If you will do the payment before batch started, do it. Okay. So this is about what I want to tell you. Okay, R.N. Reddy, who want to work for R.N. Reddy helping hands as your college representative and advanced college representative who want to work for R.N. Reddy helping hands. కానీ ఒక్కటి చెప్తానమ్మా, మీరు లిజన్ అమ్మా అందరూ. అడ్వాన్స్డ్ పైథాన్ అండ్ .NET you take from R.N. Reddy. Don't miss it. Right. Okay. So brother, I'm telling you, nobody can teach. I'll place you now. I'll place you. Advanced Python, you learn .NET, you learn. Your job is my responsibility. And you can come to after Corona, once we will open the offices. You can be in touch with my team members. All the numbers you have all the numbers. Okay, be in touch with them. And before you are coming to my office, I'm giving you the numbers again. Before you are coming to my office, and please call to any one team member, especially either Srinivas or Sai, and take appointment and come. And if you want to meet me, you better to call and come. Don't come blindly. Okay na? Yes. Offline classes kuda untayamma. Offline classes also will be there. Address of my office R.N. Reddy IT School, right? Ash 102 KVR Enclave. Don't come blindly. We sometimes will not open the office because complete online business now. Present KVR Enclave. Beside, take appointment, then only come. Call to Sai or Srinivas, confirm, then come, please. Beside Satyam Theatre. Above Bata showroom, and above ICICI Bank, beside Gurudwar, full address clear, Amirpet. The brother, nobody can tell you this type of address. And it is between Satyam Theatre and first floor, Satyam Theatre and Gurudwar. Gurudwar is very popular, Satyam Theatre is very popular. Right. So, right. Okay, na? Right. Don't worry. And who paid for advanced Python? After classes, you will have placements, help placements desk will be there. Once Corona will complete, then you can come and sit in my office and go and attend interviews which are organizing by me. Okay. And you will have preparation schedules, interview schedules. C language will start maybe July or August. I'm thinking about that. Career guidance seminar also will be very soon. So I was announced 21st, but not possible, but will be there within 2 to 3 weeks. Okay. Don't leave my hand till you get a job. Be in touch with me and my team. Okay. Yes. Sir, yes. Follow my words. Learn the things what I am telling you. Okay, na? Yes. We will provide the accommodation for you to sit, to do lab, to do preparations. You can do your labs. Okay, who paid for advanced Python and who joined for Django, Django and AWS paid, all the students can come and sit in my office to prepare to attend interviews. We are welcome for you. Okay, and with R&D helping hands. I'm sorry, I forgot to tell you important point. Who want to work for R&D helping hands as for your college representative? WhatsApp to my BDM and a business development manager, Nageshwar Rao. Yes, Nageshwar Rao Kakani. So call to him, WhatsApp to him. I'm interested to work, and give your details, your college name, your name, and all the things. Not required to, don't call Amma. Don't call, just WhatsApp. So let me give you his number. Wait. So the number is 92480 75005. 92480 75005. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Right. So this also I'm sending you. Just WhatsApp to him, like what you just say. I'm interested to work for R&D helping hands as a college representative. Offline classes will start once lockdown over. Okay, na? Right. So this is the story what I want to tell you. All the things I covered myself, and yeah. So promote our courses and be in touch with my team. Any IT course will be available. Very soon communication classes are going to provide, and aptitude reasoning classes are providing to you, and GRE classes, IELTS classes are providing to you in online. Okay, GRE and right. Okay. So core Python is free now. So I think he's new student. He's asking. Okay, will be provided. And backlog classes, who are failed in some subject also, we will provide 1-to-1 and 1-to-many in online. One you failed, we will arrange a subject. And some digital, like any sub drawing you failed, we'll arrange a faculty for you. We'll arrange to you all. Okay, na? Yes, regarding abroad processing also, you can come. Who are in America, your friends, if they need any training from America, they need any project related help and interview help, also you can give my team number, Sai number, you can give to them, right? Okay, very soon you will have career guidance seminar also. Yeah, e-certificate also will be charged for you. Okay, yeah, if you need certificate, you have to pay. Yes. So otherwise, there is no worth value now. That's the reason. Okay, right. Thank you very much, guys. Non-BTech students also GRE training we will provide, and we are very soon. We are backlogs. I'll arrange extraordinary tuitions, and you can come and meet me personally, and we'll arrange. I'll talk to you. I'll guide you how to clear your your subjects. Will help you like anything. And certification courses like Microsoft certifications, Java certifications will provide. And who are attending Java fundamentals course will provide certificate to you. Who are attending Java paid course, you will arrange certificate to you. Okay, yes. Okay, we'll announce you all the GRE classes will be very soon. Aptitude reasoning is required for MNCs especially. Okay, na? Right, guys. You can You can leave, guys. All the best for your. All the best. All the best. Yeah, advanced Python bachelor. We will give you the project. Don't worry. All the best. All the best. You can leave over. Okay, and yeah, you can give your reviews in YouTube and Facebook and so on. Are you clear? I hope you learn good programming in my classes. Yeah. So my advice is just till you get a job, don't leave my hand. Learn, utilize all my services. .NET, don't skip. Come to .NET also. You will learn very good subject. And if you will compare anywhere, I'm sure about it. See, one thing is what you know, sir. You are charging that fees, this fees, and who will? I have given 20-25 free classes. Don't expect everything free. We will also have to eat food, right? Try to understand. And people will give a comment also. Sometimes you are promoting. See, we are promoting quality trainings. We are not, it's not cheating trainings. Promotion lekapothe how remaining students will understand about this training now. That is the story. Yeah. Thank you very much. You can leave. You can leave, guys. All the very best to all the students. But my advice to all the people, join in advanced Python. Salesforce training also very soon we are planning.